Good morning from Fullerton Bay Hotel. Catching the sunrise at about 7:10 a.m. this morning. Let me show you how to get from the Clifford Pier, Fullerton Bay Hotel, towards Fullerton Hotel. So you'll find this glass door at the end of the corridor. Head out and follow this sheltered walkway and you'll come to a underpass entrance. And on the left, you will see the Fullerton Hotel. Beautiful sunrise this morning. Go into the entrance, head down, and just keep walking. Be careful when you're crossing the road here as cars are coming in to the car park. Once you get in, turn towards the left and walk towards the hotel. Along the way, there's lots of photographs and sketchings of the old Fullerton Hotel, which used to be the General Post Office. Follow the sign, head up the escalator. On the right, you will find the philatelic store, which is unique to Fullerton Hotel here. You can go inside, have a look around, get some memorabilia as well. Don't miss out on the giant Robbie bear here. The bear is like a mascot of the hotel. The male version is Robbie and the accessory girl, Lizzie. Head inside the Fullerton Hotel and turn towards the left. They have a collection of coil fishes here. I hear there are 88 of them. Walk up this beautiful grand staircase. So we were at basement and now we're going up to the lobby, which is on level 1. This is the courtyard and these are the rooms from level 2 to level 8. And here are Robbie and Lizzie. Don't forget to take a photo with them. F1 is coming up. Thanks for watching.